In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between FreeTaxUSA and TurboTax. If you're preparing to file your taxes and trying to decide which software might be best for you, you're in the right place. We'll explore the differences between these two popular platforms, highlighting their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. First, we start by gathering some information. Head over to SuperMoney's guide on TurboTax versus FreeTaxUSA. This comprehensive resource offers a detailed comparison of the two, showcasing each platform's strengths and weaknesses. You might want to bookmark this page for reference, as it provides ongoing updates that reflect the latest changes in each software package. TurboTax, a well-known name in the tax filing industry, provides a robust platform with a variety of features designed to make tax filing as simple and accurate as possible. It's particularly praised for its user-friendly interface and the comprehensive support it offers, guiding users every step of the way. If you have complex financial situations, such as investments in stocks or owning rental properties, TurboTax might be a fitting choice due to its sophisticated handling of various tax scenarios. On the other side, we have FreeTaxUSA, which is celebrated for its affordability. While it doesn't offer the same level of handholding as TurboTax, it provides a solid platform for those who have a basic understanding of tax filing processes. Users who are confident in navigating their own tax situations, or those with less complicated returns, generally find FreeTaxUSA an efficient and cost-effective choice. Now let's dive into some pros and cons. TurboTax tends to be on the pricier end, but this is often justified by the high-quality features and comprehensive support users receive. It's a great choice if you're looking for peace of mind. FreeTaxUSA, meanwhile, is a budget-friendly alternative, providing free federal tax filing and state filing at a minimal cost. It might lack some of the bells and whistles you'd find in TurboTax, but it allows users to file accurate returns without breaking the bank. A key difference to consider is the level of support. TurboTax offers live support via a chat feature with tax experts that is a substantial aid for those needing extra guidance. FreeTaxUSA has customer support as well, but it's more limited and might not provide the instant assistance that TurboTax offers. In conclusion, your choice between TurboTax and FreeTaxUSA will largely depend on the complexity of your tax situation and your budget. If you want more assistance and have complex needs, TurboTax might be worth the investment. However, if your tax situation is straightforward and you're confident in your tax filing abilities, FreeTaxUSA offers a solid, budget-friendly option. Hopefully, this breakdown helps you determine which tax service aligns best with your needs as you prepare for tax season.